Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Behind Blue Eyes, where I show you the tricks of the trade so you can do it at home. Today I'm going to show you how to season a cast iron skillet. Cast iron is the most cheapest, durable, and most even cooking pan out there. It's perfect for searing meat or pan roasting some veggies. Speaking of searing meat, if you haven't already, go check out the last video on cooking a perfect steak, where the cast iron pan is center stage. You can see exactly what I mean. You all can get a cast iron pan from a thrift shop or a pawn shop. You can also buy them online off of Amazon, of course. Lodge Cast Iron produces the most cast iron in the world at this point. Let's get going.
Alright, as you can see, this cast iron pizza pan is incredibly rusted. I picked this one so you all can see the difference seasoning can make. What I'm doing now is taking a stainless steel scrubber and taking off as much of the surface rust as I possibly can. You need to make sure that you take off all the rust from the top and bottom, so when we get to the seasoning step of the process, we can seal and protect the entire pan. It's important to wipe off all the water to make sure that the oil adheres to the iron and creates a bond. This bond creates a seasoning, which is a protective layer and a functionally non-stick surface for you to cook your food on. Now, I'm using a vegetable oil in order to season this pan. You basically need a oil that won't break down over time and become rancid. Vegetable oil is one of those oils. You need to make sure that the entire surface is coated in oil so that the pan is protected from rust going forward. I'm now going to put this in the oven at about 550 Fahrenheit. It's important to do this at the highest temperature your oven allows because the iron needs to expand and oil that you put on it will bind to the metal, which creates the seasoning. After an hour, take the pan out of the oven. As you can see, the pan has become shiny. This means that you've done the process correctly. When you take it out and let it cool, make sure that the pan is not sticky. That means that the pan hasn't finished the seasoning process and needs to bake a little longer. Now I'm going to show you how to clean a cast iron pan after you have used it. You don't want to use anything too abrasive to clean, so I used vegetable oil, salt, and a paper towel to get it clean, at least to get the first layer off. Then I will put it under some hot water to make sure that there isn't any salt or dirt left. If it has food still stuck on the pan, I then use the abrasive side of a sponge. You don't want to use any harsh soaps on this pan, and you definitely don't want to put it in the dishwasher because it will remove some of the seasoning and will cause it to rust again. You now need to dry it out with a towel in order to get excess moisture off the surface. You now need to dry out the pan completely before storage on a burner or in the oven so it doesn't rust again. It's also important to put a layer of vegetable oil while it's cooling to make sure it's protected. Be careful of this though. It is hot. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you liked the video, please help me out by hitting that like button. If you want to be notified of my next video, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thanks again, I'll see you in the next one.